Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a wearable pin cushion. I'm going to show you just how to make this pin cushion where we have a protection on our wrist, and here's how we do it. So we start with measuring a circle. So I've used a masking tape and I'm going to use a 3.5 sized circle, and after I've cut it into cardboard, I've placed my cardboard on this fabric and just using any scrap fabric, so copy that onto the fabric, making a circle, and take your needle and thread and go through the edges of the circle. Make sure you have a knot at the end of your thread, and I'm gonna go round this circle, just in through the fabric and out again. We call this a basting thread that you're going to use. So you're going to go through the edges of the fabric